Okay, well, I need to decide on a Porsche for Maple Leaf Customs Porsche build. It's coming up around the middle of March, so I have just about a month to do this build. And I've got a few Porsches to choose from, so yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure what I want to do. That's part of the problem. Ooh. Okay, that could be fun. This has a note attached to it. I'm not sure why I attached that note to it. But I think a lot of the... Oh, that's smashed up. A lot of these I just don't want to do. Panamera. And Porsche Carrera. You know, you gotta love 96 Porsche Carrera. But is that what I want to do? I don't think so. Well, that's tempting. There's a lot of funky Porsches in here that are off-brand castings. The 928 that I loved as a kid. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's a Majorette. Let's take a look at that one. Because it could be fun doing a non-Hot Wheels. And that's not in bad shape. The glass is in good shape. Doors open. Okay, that's a possibility. There's a lot of just no. It's another 928. No. Yeah, I've got a lot of Porsches. I'm not doing a restoration. I wanted to put some kind of livery on this. Last year for the Maple Leaf build, I did a Maple Leaf theme. That's nice. That's really nice. Matchbox Group C Racer. Last year I did a livery that I custom designed for the build. And that was fun. That was a lot of fun. But this year, I don't know what I want to do. Oh, that's the Majorette that I set aside to possibly do. Yeah. That's just a nice, clean old casting. There's a lot of castings here that are truly just classics. But this year, I don't know what I want to do for a livery. I've got, Carrera GT. Man, that's a little rough, though. Yeah, I haven't done a Carrera GT. How about a little Tykes? A little Tykes Porsche. No, that doesn't suit the theme of what I want to do. I mean, I know I don't want to do something silly. I'm not doing something silly. I'm not doing something post-apocalyptic. Store perform. A Boxster. I don't want to do a Boxster for this. I don't know what I want to do for a livery. I really don't. I probably won't do a Maple Leaf theme again this year because I really love how last year's turned out. And I don't think I can top it. So, okay, I'm setting the Cayenne aside because it's tempting. There's something tempting about taking the Cayenne and doing it as a pickup, customizing it into a pickup. Ooh, that poor thing. Lord knows. A no-name brand. Another no-name made in China. Panamera E-Hybrid. No. No. I have to have wheels. I'm tempted to do something that's missing its wheels, the 924. I'm tempted to do Roxy Rexy kind of build. What I think of as a Porsche with teeth. I think I have a few decal sets for that already. But I'm also tempted to take that same set of decals and throw it on a different casting and make something a little different. But I like the idea of that build. Ooh, that's an interesting look. Ooh, Lord. And then there's times where you just don't know what people are thinking at all when they make something. Uh-oh, I see my battery's getting low here. I don't know what that means for the video. But I think I'm going to stop the video for a second. I'll be right back. And we're back. That was odd because I have a permanent power connection to the camera. And then all of a sudden it was flashing red. Taycan turbo. No. Lord, I don't know what to choose. 911 GT3. 911 GT3, isn't that what the Roxy Rexy? Okay. That's, oh, but I love a 914. And I've wanted to do a 914 for a while. Oh. Okay. We need to decide here. Whoops. We need to decide. Okay. Narrowed it down to all of these. Okay, I will probably decide on this, especially if it is the Roxy Rexy Porsche. If I can make it into that, which I believe it is, then I think I'll go with this one. If not, there's a good chance it'll be the 914. The Majorette will not be. I don't think I will be making the Cayenne into a pickup. At least for this build. Yeah. Okay. I think I've narrowed it down to these three. And I guess you'll find out come March as to what I chose of that. In other news, I remember I recently did the Unimog. And if the weather improves this week, it's raining now, I will do the other Unimog. I may try and do a clear glass for it. But I have an idea that I want to do for this one. So that will probably be the next build that you see, with any luck, weather permitting. No nuts yet to set over here. I still need to drill and tap it. But that's a quick video on what's happening here. Hope everybody is staying safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.